Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome you to another episode of our math theater. My name is Jimohlukmon, and today we'll be discussing about simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. This also is under another form of equation which we did not mention earlier. But from the word simultaneous, when you do something like simultaneously, I don't know how to put it, but probably when we start, I will have said consecutively. You do it interwovenly, but later maybe we get to when we start doing examples, we will understand it better. Yeah, simultaneous equation can involve quadratic and linear, and can involve linear and linear. But for today, we'll be doing linear and linear. Example of simultaneous equation: when you have x plus y is equals to 3, and you have x minus y equals to 1. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Like I said, quadratic simultaneous equation can be linear and quadratic and linear. The concept of simultaneous equation is you have two unknown. So that's why we have. So here now, if you have 3 unknown, it means you are going to have 3 simultaneous equation. If you have 4 unknowns, we are going to have 4 simultaneous equation. Is it clear?
Yes.
So here now we have 2 unknowns. So we have equation 1, equation 2. So it continues like that. How do we solve simultaneous equation? We have 4 major ways of solving simultaneous equation. I'm going to list them here. Anytime I use one, I will click it, or probably we just use the first one to solve it first. The first one, we call it substitution method. What did I call it?
Substitution method.
Louder.
Substitution method.
The second one is elimination method. Elimination method. What did I call it?
Elimination method.
Louder.
Elimination method.
The third one is called graphical method. What did I call it?
Graphical method.
Why the fourth one? We call it matrix, using matrix form. Is it clear? Or is it X matrix? Depends. I did have plural, singular. So here now. So the first method we are going to use, and that is what we are going to do in this episode alone, just for us to have clear understanding for our viewers at home also. We will be doing substitution method here alone. So we do 2 questions on substitution method. The same question we do it for elimination method in our next episode. So here, x plus y is equals to 3, x minus y equals to 1. What is substitution method? From the word substitution, you remove one for the other. Like imagine Messi is coming out, Ronaldo is coming in. So here now, you say, to make it easier, we avoid some big grammars. You can just say, from equation 1. The meaning of from equation 1, you want to make x the subject of formula in equation 1 to put it inside 2. Or you can make from 2 and put it inside 1. Is it clear? So you say from equation 1. If you say from equation 1, making x the subject of formula, x will be equals to, let's write our equation 1. S plus y is equals to 3. Now we want to make s the subject of formula. It will be s is equals to 3 minus y. That is our equation what now? Equation 3. Have it in mind that this is your equation 3. You now say put equation 3 in, you said from 1. So you will put it in what now? 2. Put it in. The first method is that you say from equation 1 you derive your equation 3. Now you now put that your equation 3 in equation what? 2. Is it clear? So what is our equation 2? X minus y equals to what? 1. So what is our x here? 3 minus y. So instead of putting x here now, what will you put? 3 minus y. Is it clear? The whole of this x now is equal to 3 minus y. Is it clear? Then you now put this your normal minus y that is here. Minus y equals to 1. 3 minus y is what? Minus 2y is equals to 1. Is it clear? So here now, like we said, take this 3 to the other side. If you take it to the other side, it will be minus 2y is equals to 1 plus 3 will turn to what? Minus 3. Minus 2y minus 1 minus 3 will give you what? Minus 2. So you divide both sides by what? Minus 2. Your y will be equals to 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? So when your y is equals to 1, you remember we have equation 3. You just write here from equation 3. What is your equation 3? X is equals to 3 minus y. So x is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. So our x, y, x comma y, the meaning of this means our x, what is our x? 2. What is our y? 1. That is the meaning of this. X is 2, y is what? 1. If you want to confirm, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Is it clear? Is it clear, Abib and Abiba? So here now, remember, we said from 1, we get our 3. Now from 3, we input it inside what? 2. The next one I will be doing, I'll be making it, the reverse is the case. The reverse. Is it clear? Is it clear? So let me write the second question. We have 2 questions on substitution method. So let me clean this up. The second question is 2x plus y is equals to 3. 2x plus y is equals to what? 3. And in this one, the other one is 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Equation 1, equation 2. Yes, I think they are having coefficient now. They are all having coefficient now. We are making it more interesting. Don't let me say difficult. So yeah, I said we are going to say from 1. Or before you say from 1 or from 2, one of the major things you consider is the one that does not have coefficient. Which one is coefficient, or the one that has only one coefficient? Which one has only one coefficient here? Y. Is it clear? Only y. This one is better. So if I ask you to make y the subject of formula, it is better for you that way. Is it clear? So you just say from 1. You have, let us write our 1. 2x plus y is equals to what? 3. You make your y subject of formula to get equation 3, So y is equals to 3. When 2x go there, it will be minus 2x. So this is our equation what? As simple as that. So since we are getting our equation 3 from 1, where are you going to put equation 3 now? Inside 2. Is it clear? So you say put equation 3 in 2. What is our equation 2? 2x plus 3y is equals to what? 5. Is it clear? So what is our 2? What is our y? 3 minus 2x. That is 2x plus 3. Now to write your y, you need brackets. What is our y? 3 minus 2x. Which is equals to what? We are putting it inside 2, remember, which is equals to 5. Are we on the same page? You are putting this 3 inside 2. So that is here now. We have this. Instead of writing your y, what are you writing? 3 minus 2x. Is it clear? So here you have 2x plus 3 times 3. 9 plus 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 3 times minus 2. You have minus 6x is equals to what? 5. Then you collect like times. You have 2x minus 6x is equals to 5 minus 9. 2x minus 6x will give you what? Minus 4x. 5 minus 9 will give you what? Minus 4. What is the coefficient of x here? What is disturbing x? That is what will come to minus 4. So you divide both sides by minus 4. So your x equals to what? You divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. X equals to what? 1. X equals to what? 1. So since your x is equals to 1, you put it inside the equation what? 3. So you can say remember or anything. Equation 3. What is equation 3? Y is equals to 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2 into bracket 1 because I already know our x. So 3 minus 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So y is equals to 1. That is x equals to 1, y is equals to 1. Or you can write x comma y is the same thing as 1 comma 1. Your x is equals to 1. Your y is. If you put it here, 1 times 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So this substitution method. Hope it's clear. So our people at home, our viewers at home, we hope you enjoy the class. Do kindly please subscribe to our channels, like and share. Thank you very much.